that must feel good to travel to important places and meet a lot of important people.
Well, not exactly. I feel cut off from the rest of the world. When I accepted this promotion as Executive Secretary of Advertising, I thought it was going to be a major step upward for me.
Yeah.
Now I'm not sure why I accepted this promotion. I mean, they're obviously much too dim to realize that my suggestions are the first glimmer of genius this company has seen in years. On Tuesday, I pointed out to the board that a few minor changes in the new campaign could easily send sales soaring. Could they comprehend that? No. I mean, did they not realize that it was my vitality and my immaculate organizing abilities that pushed Estelle's to the top of the market? I think they're just too jealous to accept my ideas. Any other company would have absorbed them. They passed right over them.
How does that leave you feeling?
It was like my last date, unfortunately.
I don't understand. What do you mean it was like your last date?
Well, I went out with Victor Hudson. That's Franklin Hudson's son.
Oh, yes, I've heard of him.
Everyone has. Aren't they right? I'm trying to win over the Hudson's account. Do you always look so stone-faced? Well, anyway, we were going dancing at La Scala. I just bought a San Michel gown, sequin from neck to toe. Victor showed up in a 200% polyester sports jacket.
200%?
It was double knit, and of course everybody stared at us. And he never even commented about it.
About
how stunning I looked. Oh well, we don't need their account anyway. Who we really need is... Would we be able to switch next week's appointment from Tuesday to Thursday? The Addisons are having a cocktail party aboard the Princess Star.
A cocktail party?
It's not just a cocktail party. The Addisons could be our biggest clients, and they would be personally affronted if I didn't attend.
It does sound like it's very important to you. Now, you were talking about how at work it seems like your efforts go unnoticed.
What about the cocktail party?
How would you feel if we didn't change the appointment?
That's ridiculous. Are you refusing to change?
No, I said what if.
Look, I don't see what difference Tuesday or Thursday makes, and this is something very important.
It sounds like you feel that at work, that on dates, here with me now, that no one grasps what's important to you.
Very few people could grasp what's important to me. You couldn't have anything that important.
What are you remembering?
Oh, just back in college, when I tried to become a tri-delt.
Go on.
I tried so hard to be like one of those girls with money. It was so unfair. They were so rich. I wasn't. They didn't want me.
What do you feel as you remember back on that?
All that mattered were clothes and cars. They were so screwed up. No brains. No style. I showed him, though. I was featured in the spring fashion section of the school paper my senior year.
Oh, so you were recognized.
So what?